subscribers, you know what I'm saying?
100K subs.
Video, I'll be on 80.
Oh,
Damn, but subscribe.
niggas,
Sure, which one?
niggas have motion.
Obvious, rock, paper, scissors, you know, miss. It's even. The number is even.
Let's
Come
get
on.
that special fast.
Yo, damn, quick, come, please. Yo, damn. That was 1, 2, 1, 2. Rock, paper, scissors,
Shoot.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah, it's her. We here. It's you. And I'm here with Primrose. Right, two numbers. No. Quite insane.
I can kiss them anyway.
Anywhere.
Anywhere is crazy.
Smash.
There's a smash.
Type shit.
Okay.
Yo, I won't lie, bro. This lineup is crazy, bro. This lineup is crazy, bro. It look like they're in the trap house. It's like they're in the trap house, bro. What the fuck?
Voice, they can't hear anything. Voice.
Okay. Smash.
Why? Why?
He's cute. Why not?
Please,
Why
please
not?
take
It's
off the
crazy.
shades so she can see you. Do you still think he's cute?
Yeah, he is cute.
Sure.
Who
Nah, that
cares?
nigga child.
Type shit.
That nigga child.
Hi.
Hi,
Sorry, man. Okay.
I'm good and yourself.
Good job.
Hey, why niggas nervous? Hey, got niggas trying to oral fall.
Hi. How are you? I'm fine. You were complaining about how I dressed. Why?
That was the previous video though. Like this one was video.
Okay. I mean, I don't care honestly, ne? I don't care honestly, but I'd still smash.
Smash. Type shit.
Smash weight.
Okay. Simthandile.
Hello, hi.
Mushanyana wamaZulu.
Boy, couple niggas trying to oral form so bad, bro. Like, chill. Like, half of the niggas in this shit are shaking. Like, calm down, boy. Relax. You don't have to be shaking, my brother. Calm down.
What's it?
Ushapa map.
Good thing, guy.
Shapo.
Ah, don't mind me.
No. Honestly, I want you for tonight.
Thing, dog.
I want you for tonight. Nah, gents. Someone's daughter, by the way. Someone's daughter, by the way. Someone's daughter, boy. You think your girlfriend is in uni, but she's here on a smash or pass, saying stuff like this. Ha, long day, buddy. Long day. It's chai, boy. It's chai.
Boy, like this is few minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah, she a freak.
Job, bueno.
Good job.
Now on.
Now on.
Yo, nah, Jen, she a freak, yo.
Okay. I'd still smash.
Smash.
Yeah. Just look at him.
I'm definitely though.
Hi.
I remember this dude, bruh.
Sha.
You, boy. Tough the paint, dog. Tough the paint on this nigga shit. Goddamn, bro. Look at that nigga shit. Yo, bro, that nigga shit trash, bro. Like, no hating. What's my laptop doing, bro? But you just need to stop that with the shoe paint. But come down, gents. With the polish, with the
What should I
dyeing,
do
bro.
to you?
With the dyeing cut.
I don't know.
Wait, the dyeing cut ain't it, bro.
Sunenya.
Can I
But he dripping though.
Yes, not nice, Papa. I told
Ah, boy, this one is a freak, boy. No ways. Nah, this one is a freak, gents. No freaking ways. Ooh, this one is a... Boy, she a bob, gents. Fabby level, boy. She a bob. This is the second nigga she's kissed, boy. Let that sink in. This is the second nigga she's kissed. Boy, she's busy kissing niggas, giving out kisses like it's hugs, boy. Oh, someone's daughter, by the way, boy. Someone's daughter.
you, you can eat more white.
Okay. Good job.
Sunenya. Sunenya. You.
Ah, boy, no, these lips are infected, boy.
Damn. Pella, you must understand when they kiss you here, that means you're not him, bro. Just say,
Yo.
no copla. Just jokes. So I'm here and I'm here with.
It's not just jokes, boy. Me and cry.
You know the North Face. Let's go.
You know the name, you know the North Face type shit. Like you know.
Yes, sir.
Space.
Bro, they look like they in a trap house,
Hi.
gang.
Sharp.
Good job, Bona.
I don't need to say less. Smash.
Gents, what are you rating this on, gents? What are you rating this on, gents? But me personally, I'm not gonna lie, but she's not my cup of tea. Personally, she's not my cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? I don't like them that way. You feel me? Personally, she's not my cup of tea, so I'm not even gonna rate her. But what y'all rating her though? Personally, nah, but I'm grand. I'm chilling. Personally though, I'm chilling. This dude, shit, he cute. Give him nigga 6. What do you mean it's gay? What do you mean I can't rate people? Men. What do you mean I can't rate men, bro? It's not gay, bro. Chill. Relax. Calm down. No homo.
Smash. What?
He's still asking my
Is that a Han?
Hi.
Is that yo? Wait, no, wait, whoa, hold on, wait. Listen, I ain't trying to sound mean, but is that a girl? Can't be, bro.
Hey.
Voice.
You good?
Yes.
I did.
I'll
Okay, maybe he's gay. Maybe it's a gay dude. No ways, but could it be a Han though? Am I tripping? Wait, hold on. Could it be a girl? I might just be tripping, bro.
pass respectfully. Excuse. Hi.
Hi.
Sharp. You sure?
Good job.
Smash. Yeah, you. Oh.
Yo, boy, these ones are tall, bro. No cap. These girls are. Boy, these ones are tall, boy. In Kasi, boy, I feel like there's a lot of tall hands, bro. I'm not gonna cap. Like in Kasi, I'm not gonna keep it. Like, gents, think about it. You've never thought about it. That's why you won't, like, bro. Think about it. There's a lot of tall hands in Kasi, bro. I don't know what they feeding them that side, but they chowing.
And the sauce.
Okay, wait. Whoa. Prada, listen. I know some of these girls around here, they fucks with Young T.
Yeah.
But you have to get the matter.
Nigga, who the fuck is Young
This girl
T?
is not pretty.
You!
Nah, for real, boy. Nah. Hi. Sharp.
Sharp, nah?
Sharp.
I'm okay.
Okay, you're shaky.
I'm not shaking.
You are.
I am.
Okay, smash.
Yo.
Hi.
Hey.
Sharp.
Sharp, nah?
Okay, it's okay. I'm sure. Should I taste? I'm joking. Smash. Baby.
Hey, niggas will smash anything, bro. Niggas will smash anything right now, but I think that, bro, niggas will just smash anything, bro, at this point. Like, bro, what the hell?
G. Sharp.
Wait, you said what?
Baby G.
Oh, okay. I thought I pepper chip fast.
Baby G. Will you marry me?
Bro, what is she doing, bro? Why is she doing that? Did y'all see that? Look what she doing with her tongue. Look.
Pepper chip fast.
Baby G. Will you marry me?
But why is she doing that? My sister, put that tongue down. My sister, put the tongue away. Like, chill with that tongue activity, my girl. That is not hard. Chill. Yo, boy, someone needs to cruise at these people, boy.
Yes or no situation?
You.
Maybe. Wait. Yeah, Cyrus NYC, you know the name, the North Face. Tanko.
You know the name, you know the face. Dango. It's you, and I'm here. Yo, yeah. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Oh,
Bro, we don't subscribe, bro. Chill. Yes, girl.
Hello. What's up? I'm good. Smash. Hello. What's up?
Yes,
Wait, na
girl.
karong movie. I choose ko pick araw sa.
No fucking ways, bro. No ways, boy. No ways, boy. No ways he said that. No ways he said that. No ways he said that. And he took it like a good boy. He walked away, boy. Oh, yo, boy, they just violated that nigga on the spot. On the spot. God damn. Huh. God damn. Oh. Boy, I felt, on his behalf, I felt that dude's pain. Yo, boy. Had everybody in the whole room laughing and shit. Boy, it's tough. Nah, it's tough for real. Like, it's a long day, twin.
Let her cook.
What's up? Smash.
Voice.
Hello. Hello.
You are my voice.
Smash.
Smash. Voice. When up with
Ishap. Smash.
Smash type shit.
Hello. Ishap. Chomi. Oh. Chomi akafani ngathi joke.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my. Nah. No way. Nah, what the hell? But this can't be you, boy. She talking about he look like a joker, boy. Yo. Say he look like, yo, it's like, damn, they saying he that dark. He look like black tea type shit. They say, yo, gang, the fuck? Say nigga look like black tea. And he's laughing the pain away. Someone should Kuza this one. Wait, someone should Kuza this one.
Let's go. Where we at? Should we are here? Kindly subscribe. Kindly. Like, can you guys just get a clap? Please, bro. I hurt my knees doing this videos for you. You sure I'm here?
Oh, here with Jason. They call me J.
Wait. What?
Jason.
Just Jason.
Yeah.
Like do your intro, like Jason.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let him cook.
Okay, so John Jason, you know, bang tana bati JJ.
JJ.
Comment down below,
JJ.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
I'm fine.
Voice.
What's your name?
Primrose.
Do you know what?
Yeah, but Primrose, man, but I'm not gonna cap. She annoys me, boy. I don't like how she was acting like she was the shit when the video started. Like the way she was acting when the video started, you'd think she was the baddest girl on this shit, bro. You would think she was the baddest girl on this shit, bro. The way the video started, she was acting like she was the hardest girl on this shit. But me, I don't care about this one, bro. I'm just gonna keep it real, twin. I don't know about this one, bro. Nah.
There he is.
Nah. I wanna say Charles, but it's me.
The word of the day is legs. So, do you mind coming to my crib to spread the word?
I don't mind.
She doesn't mind.
Don't mind.
But this girl is a freak, but I'm trying to tell you, bro, like she one of those 3 a.m. sessions, but you got, but like when you down bad and shit, hit up her, boy. Those 3 a.m. like we all have that one girl, bro. Like daytime you wouldn't catch yourself with her, but nighttime, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, but that's not me though. That's you. That's you, not me. I don't partake in any of that. I'm a good boy, not like you. You a bad boy. You, not like you. We not the same, buddy.
We'll talk. Smash.
Hey, niggas is horny, boy.
Pass.
Wait. Nuts. Wait. Why?
Wait, they should Kuza this bro. This bro's acting too mean. He's out here going niggas, talking about niggas is ugly, niggas' heads is too big, niggas is dark like black tea. They should, they should Kuza, they should guerra this dude, bro. They should guerra this dude same time. They should guerra this bro the same time, boy. This nigga dog, boy, it's pissing me off, bro. Look at that little side eye, bro. Hold on, let me fix my shit. Look at that little side eye, bro. Goddamn, smack your ass, nigga. Busy calling niggas ugly and shit. Someone needs to Kuza this bro.
Okay, let's go.
Just pass.
Just press Mike.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
How are
Fine
you?
shit, not gonna lie.
How are you?
She
Sharp,
dripping.
winner.
I'm good.
I fuck with her fit.
Smash way.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
good in yourself?
I'm good. Pass.
Wait, listen, I don't wanna like. Okay, I might get in trouble. Look, with all due respect, I'm genuinely like asking, is she a dude? Like I'm not even trying to sound mean, cause I'm confused. Is she a dude? Is she like transgender? Is she homo? Like I'm so confused. Like what's going on? But I say this with like the most respect, like no disrespect. I'm just asking.
She looks like a hot snack. I'll smash all day, every day. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing yourself.
Yeah, I'm good. Smash. Hello.
Hey niggas will smash, but
I'm good.
niggas will smash anything.
Smash way.
Smash.
Issue, what about? Nah. It's calm. Issue, where we at? This time, like, spice it up if you want to. Nah, let's go. And boys, they can't hear anything.
Should have not told her that. Whose daughter or son are they gonna try that on?
No, boys.
Oh, she tall.
Press.
What? Smash.
They said it's cause he looks like a baby. I would never be able to recover from that shit.
Type shit.
Hi. Sharp. Smash. Smash. Smash.
Smash out fair, so.
Got a beauty pass.
I said, bro, looks like a goat. God damn.
Issue. You are here, ne? Please do that. Cho.
Cho, Firi, my name is Muranda Pitko, and I'm on Tana, the coming Simtandi, and the Mount Tandi, you can call me Simtandi. Simtandi. Just like and comment and share and subscribe. Friend. Nah, it's a pass. It's a pass.
Why?
Why is it a pass, boy?
Did you smash that guy?
Did you smash that guy?
One need. The silence means yes.
Okay. Friend.
Wait, what's wrong with that guy?
Nah, it's my nigga.
Oh, that's your
Yeah.
Type shit.
It's me. Pass.
What?
Not respectfully though. Turn down. Okay, I was not. Okay.
But why you selling, my brother? Relax. Go.
Nah, it's a smash. Yeah. That's it. It's a pass. Relax. Just smash.
But I'm not gonna lie, dog. I don't think, like, I'm gonna keep it real, but like on some real shit. None of these hands here are my type. Like none of these. Like the only hand that, like, I'd probably say smash in this whole lineup. Boy, this lineup is low key weak. Like I don't wanna sound mean. Like, bruh, this line is low key weak, bruh. Like, in terms of looks, this line is weak. There's not a lot of baddies here. It's like, there's actually no baddies, bro. I'm just gonna say it, boy. There's no fine shits in this bitch. There's alright shit. There's normal shit. No, there's chop shit. There's normal shit. There's alright shit. Then there's fine shit. Then there's extraterrestrial fine shit. Then there's majestic shit. But here there's no fine shit, boy. So I'm not gonna cap. I don't know about this lineup. Boy, if you need some hands, boy, call me. I'll bring hands. Like,
Chaka. I'll see you. What's up?
but no shade though. These are very beautiful women.
Friend. I know this guy. I don't know where. What video?
Yeah, baby G.
Nah, respect.
Type shit.
These are very attractive women. No shade.
Respectful.
I don't wanna sound mean yet.
Type shit. Where we at? Issue. Naughty.
Wait, you.
Keep the drip. Drip check. Let's start from. Sure. Type shit. Let's go. Right, you number.
Yo, they gassing her up like, like W homies. They gassing her up. They gassing her up though. Yo, why did I start her? Shit. I hope you just didn't hear that.
Oh, shut stuff, man.
Goddamn. Nigga, we just started with the video. Nigga, we just started. Nigga, you just started. It hasn't even been 1 second. Yo, they glaring my boy just like that. What did he do to deserve this? He didn't ask to be born short. Yo.
Ang understand ba ulahlekile wathole manje to aji.
Yo, they say he's too ugly. Yo. Boy, I'd have a heart attack here, boy. My heart would go. Boy, no way they just said he's too ugly.
What I'm saying?
That's the main fact. Yes, yeah. Smash.
Smash way.
Smash. Smash. Smash.
Voice.
Primrose. Man. Oh, cowboy, nyambon. I don't understand the man moving.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Yo, what did bro do? What did bro do? That's fucked up. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Nah, this is just bullying, dog. Now they're just bullying this guy. Boy, me, I'd leave, yo. After they saying shit like this, I'm leaving, bro. I'm gone. Nah, fuck that. Nah, F the video.
Now, gusto niya ko sa mga na.
So even let's go. So wait. I'm concerned. Even on a birthday, you wouldn't smash.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat more white with pap, mix them together and make something like porridge, pap, more white, something.
Sure, and I'm here with...
You're here with Tito RSA. Hi guys. Yeah, I'm here with Ish Prada. Subscribe to the boy. And yeah, I'll tune in, no, ne? Alright, thanks for me. Call me daddy, boy. Nah, call me Papa, yeah. Hi, are you good? I'm passing, ne? But I love your confidence. And then...
Finally, someone is gonna quasar this nigga. Finally. I've been praying for this moment.
Oh, karo vela tso khano te sera go ka iketsa fanda. Smash, she's nice. I love the confidence here, but pass. Mara, like Lamwana wano. She's pretty.
I think she's the prettiest one, if I'm being honest. Like, let's rank her, dog. Compared to all of these hands here, yeah, we taking her home.
Guys, like, she's hot, yo. But yeah, smash. Etlamo. Kanyan.
Something yeah.
Etlamo.
Don't say.
Etlamo. Hey, etla. Copa flash. Anda flash, pan. La buena China.
Oh my gosh. Boy, they say she has a spongo, boy. They say she has a spongo, gents. They said her forehead is so big that it needs one of 15 fingers. Dog, they called her chopped. Boy, they called her chopped. They called her ugly, bro. They called her chopped, they called her ugly, they called her clapped. No fucking way.
It's not a 4-head, it's a 5-head here, guys. Hey man. Pass. Alright, sharp. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ay, she's nice, dog. Like the drip is fire. I swear, you look like someone's mom. Donate some France, but yeah, subscribe to the boy, ne? Subscribe to the boy.
Because you guys are gonna see more of him, you know, vlogs, pranks.
Yo, what the fuck? Nah, that shit was crazy. Oh my days, Jen. Yo. Yo. I bet, gents, you know, I bet. Long ass day, bro. Long day.
Type shit. Comment down below. Tito.
Tito.rsa on Instagram. Yeah.
Let's get it, daddy. Where we at? We're here. Ishu. And I'm here with
Ceci Lisa.
Ishu. Let's go.
Please do subscribe to my channel. Bruh, firstly, you're too short for me. Okay, because of what you do. Oh. Baby G, you look like Humpty Dumpty fell on a wall. Smack.
Goddamn. You, gents, all my days, bro. Why are they doing this, bro? What, yo, the violence, gents. Stop the violence, gents. Stop the violence.
Smash every day, all day.
Type shit.
Pest.
Wait, but the people can't hear anything.
No, like, pest respectfully.
Why?
Because I respect them, so pest respectfully.
Yeah, that nigga chopped. Guys, if a girl ever says that you're just ugly or she's just not into you, it's between the two. It's either you're ugly or she's not into you. Simple, boy. With that all being said, though, if y'all want a part 2, I'ma have to make a part 2. Relax, bro. I have to make a part 2. I'ma have to make a part 2, gents. If you gents want the part 2, comment down below. Comment down below if you want part 2, and I promise I will deliver. Just comment, bro. Just like, subscribe, and comment. You don't even have to like and subscribe. Just comment. But please like and subscribe. I'm begging you. Like, I genuinely want you to like and subscribe. Please. You know what I'm saying? With that all being said, though, until part 2, that shit is fun as fuck, bro. I really want to react to this more, gents. Come on, bro. Ask for that part 2, bro.